Temples burn, their gods forsaken, the light replaced by endless night. The people wander, lost and shaken. No faith, no fire, no guiding light. Once mighty kings are but a fable, their names erased, their thrones undone. The sword now carves a twisted fable of fading empires drowned in sun. The tides have washed away the sages, their wisdom lost in endless lays. Now empty hands turn fragile pages of futures bound in nameless graves. Replaced by screens and lies. The people wander, lost in signals. No truth, no voice, just empty eyes. Streets ignite with mass dissension. Voices crack beneath the strain. Digital lies breed apprehension. As fire scorches through the awake, but are they dreaming? Can they see beyond the screen? Their voices rise, a distant screaming, for a world they've never seen. The leaders speak, but words are empty. Their promises like broken chains. The pulse of nations beats so faintly underneath the weight of The dream now fades in smog and dust. Through the ruins of today we hide a legacy we cannot trust.